Okay, everyone, we've got Vikas from 256D, and we're going to ask him a couple questions. All right, Vikas, can you explain 256D in one line?
Bitcoin for 65 million UPI merchants in India.
Okay, what problem does 256D solve?
It lets people who have Bitcoin spend on UPI QR codes like in every day, or people who have already businesses and paying customers in UPI, except in Bitcoin.
Nice, a bridge between Bitcoin and UPI. Why did you join the accelerator program?
To develop my product idea properly and to understand my own product actually, and to gather the confidence so that we can actually go out there and meet and interact with the investors.
What's next for 256D?
Further development is ongoing, and as the accelerator is ending, now we just go on and start having meetings with the investors immediately.
And how are you feeling tomorrow's pitch day?
Excited. That's all what we have been working for last 3 months actually, yeah.
And there you have it, 256D, everyone.